You must be Stanley.
It's been 80 years. 80. And one thing that didn't change at all is the story of a woman. There's this character, Blanche DuBois, that every great actor wants to play. And the reason, of course, she's one of the most well-written, multi-dimensional character out there. She's fragile, yet manipulative. She's strong and broken. She's romantic and delusional. She is an emotional battlefield, and she lives in this play, The Streetcar Named Desire by Tennessee Williams, a play that was written back in 1947. Of course, this is not a comfort read. This play, it makes you feel like you're in the room where a woman is stripped of her happiness, her dreams, her dignity, her sanity, and you just can't do anything. It's been 80 years. It's tragic, right? This play is still so relevant. Been 80 years. 80 years.